If you're encountering a sync failed error on Stitch data, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync failures. Try reconnecting to your network or switching to a different one if possible. Step 2. Review data source credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Inspect data source status. Check the status of your data source. Sometimes, the issue may originate from the source itself, such as maintenance or outages. Visit the service status page of your data source for any reported issues. Step 4. Examine sync configuration. Review the sync configuration settings in Stitch data. Ensure that the selected tables and fields are correctly set up for syncing. Adjust any settings that may be causing conflicts. Step 5. Retry the sync. After making the necessary adjustments, manually trigger a sync in Stitch data. Monitor the process to see if the sync completes successfully. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Stitch data support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the sync failed error and get your data syncing smoothly again. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.